Thanks for tuning in for another episode of your review channel. Today we're doing something kind of cool. We're doing a series of 5 different videos regarding Final Cut Pro X, and this one is on about very simple and very easily how to add audio into Final Cut Pro X. But before we get to that, I'd like you to also please like, share, and subscribe, as it always helps me out as always. And let's get to the video and learn how to do this. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about how to add audio into your Final Cut Pro X projects. Very simple. I'm just going to go over a real basic way. This is a series of 5 different videos that I've produced to give you an idea on how to do that. So if you want to receive information and notification when the next video is ready, please hit that subscribe button below. You'll get notification when the next one is ready. So we're doing 5 different ones. So we did one already on titling, and this one is on how to add music, and we have one coming out on how to do transitions and effects. Also, how to add footage or media into your project, and also, most importantly, how to export your projects. So those are the 5 different ones that we're going to be doing. Today we're doing the one with audio. So audio is really kind of it's really easy. Final Cut Pro always makes it easy, but especially the Final Cut Pro X makes it super simple. So the easiest way to get any audio content into your project is simply go to import media. Click on that arrow right there. Scroll down where your audio files are, wherever you have them located in a folder or however you have them organized. You can just grab what you need. And here's one here. I'm just going to grab this audio file here, and to the bottom right, import selected, and you're going to see that track come right up here. So there's your audio. Let's play that. Okay, so now you have your audio track imported, and now you want to add it to your timeline. So how do you do that? So right here, you're working on a project. So if you don't have one opened and you're working on a new project, click on New Project, and we'll just call this Audio. And that's simple as that. And that will create a timeline under the audio, and it makes the audio. This is the movie clip here. Here's the audio clip. Just drag and drop that clip down to here, and then just hit the space bar on your keyboard, and there you go. So you can add any kind of titles, any kind of text over this. You can import your video, import everything that you need. You have your audio track imported. Real easy, real simple. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the button below, like, and share. That's really important. Hope you like this quick review on Final Cut Pro X. Like I said, there's other ones coming out, so you'll be notified when the next one is available. Any questions or comments you have, or any questions you have regarding Final Cut Pro, let me know, and I'll be glad to help you. Not a problem. You have a great day, be safe, and thanks for tuning in for this episode.